Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of denim with a focus on one of the hottest items in women's fashion: Levi's women's premium wedgie icon fit jeans. If you're on the hunt for the best Levi's premium jeans for women, look no further, because we've got you covered. These aren't just any jeans. They're the Levi's women's premium wedgie icon fit jeans. And let me tell you, they're making waves in the fashion scene for all the right reasons. Crafted with 99% cotton and 1% elastane, these jeans strike the perfect balance between comfort and style. The high-rise design, snug fit through the hip and thigh, and tapered leg create a flattering silhouette that's bound to turn heads. Plus, with a button-fly closure, you'll feel secure and stylish all day long. But what really sets these jeans apart is their versatility. Whether you're dressing them up for a night out or keeping it casual for a day of errands, the Levi's women's premium wedgie icon fit jeans are up for any occasion. And with a range of colors to choose from, including the trendy, these dreams, you can find the perfect pair to suit your style. And let's talk about quality. As expected from a brand like Levi's, these jeans are built to last. From the iconic leather patch at the back waist to the durable construction, every detail speaks to the brand's commitment to craftsmanship and excellence. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best Levi's premium jeans for women, look no further than the Levi's women's premium wedgie icon fit jeans. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy shopping!